Yes. We found it!
Emma! Jack! Come here, please.
Mom, what happened? Am I in trouble? No. I have exciting news. Really? Tell us. Is it pizza night? Better than pizza.
Better than pizza? We are going to Grandpa's house tomorrow morning.
Yes.
A family trip.
Grandpa is fun. Last time, he made me clean the garden. This time will be different. Grandpa has a surprise. A surprise? What surprise?
Grandpa did not tell me. He said, "Bring the kids."
Grandpa always asks about you.
Really?
Yes. He loves you.
Okay, maybe I can go. Maybe? You are already going.
Dad, really? We are going to Grandpa's house? Yay! I miss Grandpa.
What is all this noise downstairs?
Dad!
Grandpa needs help. I think we should visit him today. Potaken.
Smutty viddy kim today. Can we bring Grandpa some cookies?
Of course! Grandpa loves cookies.
I want to bring Grandpa something special.
We should prepare some snacks for Grandpa.
I can help. I will pack cookies.
I want to pack something too.
Jack, be careful not to drop anything.
I will check the car before we leave.
Good idea. We need everything ready.
How long will it take to get to Grandpa's house?
About 1 hour by car.
1 hour? That's so long!
Everyone, get your bags ready.
I checked them twice.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Can we leave now?
Yes, let's go to Grandpa's house.
I'm so excited. And I see a big red barn.
And I see a big red barn.
Grandpa's house is very close now.
Really? I'm so excited! Me too. I miss Grandpa so much.
Remember to say hello nicely.
I know, Mom. We always say hello nicely.
Look! There's Grandpa's mailbox.
We're here! We're here!
Grandpa's house looks beautiful.
All right, everyone, let's get out.
I want to run to Grandpa first. Grandpa.
We missed you.
Grandpa. We missed you.
I missed you too, my little helpers.
Dad, it's so good to see you.
Thank you for coming. I have a surprise for everyone. A surprise?
What is it, Grandpa?
Not yet. It's a secret.
Oh no. I don't like waiting.
First, come inside and have some snacks.
We brought cookies for you, Dad.
Wiekayem. Cookies? Wonderful.
I brought something special too.
Really?
What did you bring?
A superhero drawing for you!
Wow. I love it.
Grandpa, your house smells so good. Apple pie? Yes!
Dad, the garden looks amazing.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
Can we see the garden later?
Of course. But first, I need your help.
Help with what?
I lost something very important.
Oh no. What did you lose?
I lost my old memory box. A memory box?
A memory box? What is inside?
Old family photos and special memories.
Oh no. We have to find it.
When did you see it last? When did you see it last?
Let's go look right now. Let's go look right now. Slow down, Jack.
We should search together.
I checked the porch. It's not here.
I looked in the shed too. Nothing.
Wait, I see something near the flowers. Oh. No, it's just an old watering can.
Don't worry. We'll keep looking.
No, Grandpa. We are a team.
Let's check behind the garden fence.
Oh no! And Co! Look at the sky!
Wait! I think I found footprints!
Footprints? Where do they go? Toward the old tree.
Let's go check together.
Be careful, everyone.
I see something under the tree. Is that the memory box?
Let me check it.
Please be Grandpa's memory box.
Yes. We found it!
Yay! Grandpa will be so happy. We did it together.
Let's bring it back inside before the rain starts.
Grandpa, look what we found.
My memory box. You found it.
We never gave up.
Thank you, my little helpers.
Let's see what's inside.
Wow. Mom looked so little.
Emma. Don't laugh at my old photos.
Grandpa, we should visit more often.
That would make me very happy.